Hey, friends! Welcome to the wonderful world of Scentsy and our amazing wax family. My name is Katie Lassiter, and I am the Superstar Director for Team and Group Redeemed Blessings. I joined this business back in January 2017, simply just to make $200 to $300 extra a month to pay bills and to buy groceries. Little did I know that this business would transform my entire life. And because of Scentsy, I have been able to leave my full-time job as a nurse in May to be home with my 3-year-old wild child. And he is crazy, trust me. But God, those are God-sized dreams. This business has absolutely changed my life, and I know that it can change your life too. But it is solely up to you. There's a reason you hit that join button. There's a reason you started this journey. I want you to think about why you started. That's your why. That's what's going to push you to do things you never thought that you could do. Nothing grows from comfort zones. You were made to do more than just work and pay bills. This business can absolutely open doors and transform your entire life and your family's life. But it starts with you. Your sponsor can't do it for you. Your family can't do it for you. Only you can do this for you. Your results are going to be a direct reflection of the effort that you put into this business. So don't waste any time. Read the email Scentsy sent you, watch these training videos, and hit the ground running. Remember, nobody is going to be as excited about your business as you are. So get excited because this journey is an exciting one. Know that you're not on this journey alone either. If you have not already been added to the team page Redeemed Blessings on Facebook, make sure your sponsor adds you. That's your portal. That's where you'll go for tips and tricks, for encouragement, for motivation. Those amazing group of women are here to root you on and cheer for you. You're never alone on this journey. Never ever forget that. You're never alone. There is always somebody there for you to pick you up, to build you up, root you on, and share all the things with you. So get excited. Watch all of these training videos and let's get you started off right. I am so excited for you and so blessed that you chose to be on Team Redeemed Blessings.